Hi guys, this is for the reading of our fire sign Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, I have here already the cards for you. Okay, shuffle ko na siya guys kasi I just feel the energy already. Okay, so i-check na natin guys kung ano yung meron sa inyong reading, ha? Okay, I have here the Four of Cups, Three of Wands. May nag-iisip na mga ibang bansa. There's a realization here. Yeah. And then I have here the King of Wands, the Chariot, and the Queen of Wands. Wow, mag-asawa. Mag-asawa ito. Wow, meron ng pagbabago dito sa buhay niyong dalawa with the Chariot card. Dahil posibleng makakatanggap kayo ng magandang balita with the Page of Wands. Okay? This will be the very beautiful news for you, for the both of you. Okay? Kasi mag-asawa to eh. Ayan no? There will be the Chariot. Yeah. This will be the velocity of the change. Okay? Yung bilis ng pagbabago na andito na. Kumbaga may biglaan na pagbabago na talagang ikakagulat yung dalawa. Kasi talagang nagtutulungan kayong dalawa mag-asawa. And then lalong-lalo na to si Queen of Wands. Kasi andito yung bumubuo din siya ng parang kanyang queendom. Kumbaga, parang may napipil ako na parang may nagbibuild dito ng kanyang, let's say, boutique, ganyan. Or parang mag-o-opening ng restaurant. Parang mag-o-opening ng spa, salon, ganyan. Kasi queendom yung napipil ko na energy kay Queen of Wands. More on beauty, more on creativity, yan, more on what else? Basta more on pagpapaganda yung napipil ko sa kanya. Kung hindi naman pagpapaganda, more on pagkain. Yan. Yes, talagang meron ng pagbabago. Meron ng pagbabago na nagaganap. But then, meron ditong boredom. Okay, kasi parang isa sa inyong dalawa nag-iisip na mag-abroad. Okay? Kasi andito, possible si King of Wands. Kasi napaka-dedicated na leader nito. Kumbaga, dedicated sa kanyang trabaho, sa kanyang ginagawa. Possible, ito ay si King of Wands na nag-iisip na mag-abroad. Yeah, at basta merong makakatanggap ng balita, it's either you or your husband. Okay? Basta get ready guys. This will be the new beginning, the positive beginning. Okay? With the Ace of Wands talaga. Talagang magandang balita talaga. Tapos sinamahan pa ng Page of Wands. Okay? Yeah, be ready guys. Tapos, be ready din kasi kasabay nitong paghitik ng bunga ng inyong buhay dalawa mag-asawa. Kumbaga sa puno, pag umihitik yung bunga, binabato. 'Di ba? So, asahan nyo na guys na merong hahatak din sa inyo pababa. Na which is yun yung mga crab mentality. Okay? Kaya, mag-ingat kayo. Okay, be more wise of the people that you were dealing with. Okay? Kayong dalawa mag-asawa. Okay? At yun lang guys, if you want a personal reading with you, you can ask my admin team for the personal reading. Okay? And then, yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading guys. Okay? And then, yun lang po, mag-ingat po tayong lahat palagi. God bless and good luck po.